Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Is Bozo still in control? Or is he now leading a world that is slipping beyond even his reach? The latest episode gives a fascinating answer because Bozo does not come across as weak at all. If anything, he still feels like one of the most forceful figure in the series. But what has changed is the kind of control he has. In earlier phases of the story, Bozo's presence could wrest the room. His decisions could rebuild order even if that order was brutal. The official recap even showed that his earlier choices were shaping new boundaries inside the family and the underground network. But in this latest episode, his authority feels more pressured, more reactive, more surrounded by instability. His harsh confrontation with Pasa shows that he still believes force can produce movement. His role in the upcoming conflict also suggests he remains a man whose instructions can ignite real consequences. Yet the world around him is no longer made of simple obedience. Too many emotional cracks have opened. Cylon is no longer emotionally settled. Hyder Ali remains a moving center of tension. Sultan stands inside a dangerous emotional triangle. Cartel's arrival threatens to rearrange power itself. So the question is not whether Bozo is powerful. He is. The question is whether raw control still works in the story that is becoming increasingly driven by buried truth and unstable loyalties. That is what makes him so compelling right now. He is not fading, but he may be entering the most difficult phase of leadership. The moment when strength alone stops being enough. The latest episode does not strip Bozo of power. It does something more interesting. It forces us to wonder whether he is commanding the game or whether he is now trapped inside a game that is beginning to rotate beyond his original decisions. Viewers, like my video and subscribe my channel for more.